Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making this Doritos paper squishy. This was actually requested by Briana over on Instagram, and yeah, I thought I would do it for her. So to start off with, I drew out a rough rectangle shape with a couple of triangles on, and what I did was just coloured in the whole of it a very orangey reddy colour. I just did this with an ordinary felt tip pen, nothing special, just coloured it in all over apart from the triangles that I previously drew. If you're doing a different flavour of Doritos, you can obviously use a different colour, or you can use a whole other crisp packet design if you want to. Now this design was actually requested by Briana, that's why I kept this design. But weirdly enough, in the UK, where obviously I'm from, this coloured packet is used on the chili heatwave Doritos, but in the US it's the nacho cheese. Whereas the nacho cheese in this country is more like a yellowy orange colour. I don't know, I just thought that was really weird. Why do they use different colours in different countries for different flavours? Because like this is the exact same colour that we use on the chili heatwave. I don't know, I kind of found it absolutely mind-blowing when I googled it. I was like, what? Anyway, so what I then did was I took some orange felt tip and a lighter kind of yellowy colour, and I just kind of drew in the little nacho chips onto the bottom triangles that I drew out to kind of make them look like Doritos, if that makes any sense. I don't really feel like I did a great job, but I kind of just did the best I could. A black kind of colour, and I just drew out the triangle kind of design that's actually on the packet, and I left two little bits white. I then went ahead and used an orange and a yellow to kind of go in the white bit to add a little bit more dimension. And then what I did was I took my white Posca paint pen and I just drew out the word Dorito right across this design. And this wasn't the best idea because the kind of colours did show through a little bit. So I would recommend using some paint such as acrylic paint or something like that, which will be less see-through so that you won't see the design through it. I mean, this worked out absolutely fine, but you could also do a better job with other things. Also, another thing you could do it with would be like Tipp-Ex, you know, that white corrected stuff, just to put that over where the word Dorito is to get it a more brighter white.